G'day guys, I'm Kwackajack and welcome back to another Motovlog. It is a beautiful Monday morning here on the Gold Coast. So it's a public holiday here today for the Queen's birthday, and the roads are pretty quiet except for the motorbikes. We seem to be out in force. Not complaining. We're heading up to Beechmont today. Probably one of the most iconic spots in the coast. You know, if you're a motorcyclist and you're here, you definitely know about Beechmont. So if Flying Bean's open, we'll stop there and have some coffee. Bit iffy about it though, being a public holiday. Not going to be riding too hard today because I'm with Dad. You know, taking it easy, going for a nice cruise. But yeah, it's been a while since we've been out on a ride together and I've filmed it. I tell you what, you can definitely feel the seasons changing here. It is steamy today. We don't really have 4 seasons here in Australia. We've got hot and we've got cold. And even when it's cold, it's still kind of hot. So Dad said it was double demerits today because of the public holiday, so that's another reason for us to take it a bit easier. Cops love Beechmont. Nice. Whoa, V4S. Street Fighter. I love seeing all the bikers out. I tell you what, since I've gone back to my stock exhaust, I can always hear where Dad is when he's around me riding. Beforehand, all I could hear when we were out on a ride was my exhaust blasting me in the head. But I can tell exactly where he is now. It's a lovely spot up here, Beechmont. Yeah, we're out in force today. Love to see it. I reckon if the Flying Bean's open, it's going to be busy. Come on, Papa Quack. Papa Quack or Quackadad? Maybe Quackadad. Oh, wow. Shit. That one splattered on my visor. Man, I reckon we take these roads for granted. Look how good they are. Far out. Oh. Ooh, one thing that's really exciting actually coming up. It's the start of October now as I'm filming this. And at the end of this month, I can go for my full open motorcycle license, my unrestricted. So then I'd be able to review Dad's bike, and well, anything really. So I am on the lookout for any Gold Coast locals. If you've got a motorcycle that you'd like me to review, or you'll allow me to review, hit me up on Instagram at Kwackajack_. Because I really want to start getting some more reviews of bikes on the channel. Oh wow, that's gone. See, he doesn't often open the tap on that thing, but when he does, I can't catch him on a straight. Woo. Some fresh cow patties. Sheesh. Does that red car ever move? How does Dad manage to look so friggin' cool when he rides? Like, I don't know. Just that natural swagger, I guess. I just look like a dork when I'm on this bike. Dad just got that natural cool. Bloody beautiful day, mate. Oh, yeah, no, I think they're closed. That Indian, the guy's riding away? Yeah. It's a real nice bike. It's called the FTR.
Should have brought a bottle of water.
Yeah, I thought they'd be open today. Yeah. There's no one around.
What do you want a video?
What's a drone?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll give it a go.
Did you get it fixed?
Yeah, I fixed it. Last time I took...
What was wrong with it?
So...
You had to calibrate it.
Yeah, it had to be calibrated. Because the last time I took it out, I was up at bloody Springbrook, and I was trying to get it to go when there was tour buses arriving and stuff, and I've got this drone on the side and I'm playing with it, and all these people are looking at me like, oh, he's gonna fly the drone, he's gonna fly the drone. And then I'm like, no, sorry, it's broken. Yeah, alright, I'll send it up. Well, that was nice. It would have been nicer if Flying Bean was open, but oh well. Well, there was a lot of Ducatis there. One thing I've noticed actually here on the Gold Coast is you don't see too many Quackers. I know a few people around the place that have got 400s or other Kawasaki's, but when I go out on a Sunday ride, or I guess it's Monday today, but when I go out for a ride like that, don't see too many of them. It's just Ducatis and Harley-davidsons mostly, with the odd BMW thrown in there. So we decided to head to Binna because we think that there will be a cafe open up there. I don't think that's been there since they've opened back up again either. So this place we're going to, Binna, it was actually destroyed by some of the fires that we had last year or the year before, and it was closed for a very, very long time. In fact, if you go back to one of my first motovlogs, I come here and they're doing work on the road to repair it. So it is open now. You can go and stay there, you can go get lunch. It's really nice. So yeah, good to see it back open again. Oh, they've redone the roads too. It's so smooth. I love a freshly tarred road. Yeah, go back and watch. I think it was like best riding road on the coast or something. I think it was like my second or third motovlog, and I stopped right there and I flew the drone, and you'll see a huge difference. Actually, it was the one where I found the geocache. Yeah, but this road is so different now. Okay, Gold Coast, come to Binna because the road is so much nicer than it used to be. Most people just go up to Beechmont and stop up there, or go to the Shootakanungra. It's worth taking the extra half an hour coming down this route. Man, I'm so glad I've got a full face helmet on today. I don't envy Dad. I've had a few beetles already smack on my visor and splatter. Those are some hectic fences. But then in saying that, I would not want one of those boulders to come down and get me either, so. Here we go. Sheesh. Look at this. Wow. Yeah, so apparently this whole place was destroyed by fires and they had to rebuild it. Looks like they've done a pretty good job though. It's nice up there. Perks of having a motorcycle, we don't have to really look for parks, we just go straight to the top. What do you reckon of that road?
Different. I haven't been on there before.
Yeah.
I didn't mind that. Nice and easy.
Hmm.
No rush.
Alright. You want to go in?
I've got a mark. I'll check. I'm not sure.
Last time I came up here, I came up with soap and she didn't have one. I had to buy one. $15. Yeah.
He's going. G'day.
G'day, mate. Well, that was a nice little lunch at the Binna Tea House. So I think we're going to make our way back now. Probably back the same way we came. Because it is getting very steamy. Fuck, I do not envy Dad. I just got hit in the neck by a bug. And he's got an open face on. Oof. Man, I want to attack these corners. Shit. I remember before this part of the road was retarred, it was just so bumpy along here. First time I rode it, I almost came off. So they've done a very good job fixing it up. You can tell it's spring, look at all the bugs. So pretty right now. Yee-hoo!